How to add a Polaroid frame onto your Instagram stories. Instagram rolled out a new update where they introduced a couple of new stickers. One of the stickers is this Polaroid frames where you can add a photo into your frame and add it over the story. In order to get this new sticker, you will first have to go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and install the latest version of the Instagram application. Once you update the app, you can open it and then start by creating a new story. All I have to do is to click on this sticker icon at the top and this menu will appear over the screen. You want to find the frames option and then click on it. That's going to open our camera roll where we have to select a photo which we want to add into our frame. I have selected this sunset photo, and the last step is to add a caption or some text for your frame. You can write memories or something, and you also have a date on when you took that photo that will be just below that text. You can then share this to your Instagram stories where your friends or followers can see the photo with the new Polaroid frame. When they open your story, the frame will be grayed out and they just need to shake their phone in order to see what you have put in that frame. And that's it. Everyone, if this video helped you out, then leave a comment on this video and I'll see you soon.